Hello, my name is Sarah, and today I will be talking to you about honeybees. You can thank honeybees for the delicious honey that we all enjoy and for being nature's natural pollinators. If it weren't for them, our fruits and vegetables wouldn't grow. Bees transfer pollen between blooms on the plants, allowing them to produce seeds and fruit or beautiful flowers. As they are pollinating the plants, they are collecting the pollen and nectar to bring back to the hive to make honey, which is their food, and help them survive the cold winter months. Lucky for us, they produce 2 to 3 times the amount that they need to thrive, so we get to enjoy it too. A single honeybee only lives 14 to 28 days. During this time, it will only produce a twelfth of a teaspoon of honey, after which it dies. As for the queen, she can live up to 5 years. Her job is to lay up to 2,500 eggs per day during the summer. These bees mature into worker and drone bees. Worker bees are all female. They collect pollen and produce and protect the hive. They also build the hive and circulate air to keep the queen cool. These are usually the bees that we see out flying around. Drone bees are all males. Their job is to mate with the queen. The queen has stopped laying eggs. Once the queen has stopped laying eggs, the several hundred drones are kicked out of the hive. Eventually, the queen will become old and die. When this happens, the other bees will choose a new queen from all the baby bees. Then they will begin feeding her a special food called royal jelly, which helps the bee to develop into a fertile queen. Then she will go on producing more bees. Each hive contains between 40 to 60,000 bees, but unfortunately, over the last 15 years, colonies of bees have begun disappearing. A recent study suggests it could be from the radiation emitted from cell phone towers, causing biological and behavior changes in the bees, resulting in colony collapse. In sometimes regions, up to 90% of bees have disappeared, which is why it's extremely important to plant lots of flowers for them to visit. A honeybee can fly up to 20 miles per hour, allowing them to travel 6 miles away from the hives and search for food. She will fly in figure eights in the direction of a good food source to let others know when she has collected to the minimum amount of pollen. She returns to the hive, where it is transferred between their mouths until it makes honey. So weird, but true. Honey is made from bees' saliva. Honeybees are an amazing insect and are extremely beneficial to the world and our way of life, which is why it's so important to support these little guys.